Cut the track. Hi YouTube, welcome back to the Dangerous Beauty, and I'm the Dangerous Beauty, and I'm so glad you came to my YouTube channel. So that first video was lit, right? Yes. If you didn't know which video it is, you need to click the subscribe button so that you can get notifications about the next video if you missed the last one. Okay, so today's video is really going to be just a basic. I just also wanted to keep my products up here for those of you guys that were still interested in maybe going and purchasing these. You guys could probably go and check those out on the websites that I left on the last video. Okay, so this is just an informal video, like most of my videos are going to be very informal. Right now I'm just still baking in my coconut and my sunblock, like you guys know. It's like, what is that on our faces? My coconut elixir for my face. So but anyways, that's why you gotta go to the last video. If you didn't check the last video out, then you won't know what I'm talking about. And yes, I know this is faded t-shirt I got from the Lecrae concert. Shout out to Crae Anomaly Tour when he came to Kent, Washington, and I was helping them with their paraphernalia table, and I bought a t-shirt and I wore it and it's worn out and I accidentally got bleach on it. So don't judge me because everybody got a bleached t-shirt. So don't try to act like you all that because you come into my channel and you see somebody with a bleached shirt. You ain't better than me. Anyways, back to what I was saying. This is an informal video about how to be okay, not be okay with, but how to really just be careful about these social media influencers. These people that are reaching out for you to become a social media influencer. Like, you will get a bunch of emails. First and foremost, I probably get like 20 emails all the time and all this stuff. Like, people be coming up to you wanting you to be an influencer, and you don't know them from Adam. And from Adam means from the very beginning, from Eve and Adam, meaning in the beginning of the Bible in Genesis. So don't be, some of these people, they take advantage of you, especially young kids and young girls, because they know how excited and anxious you are to want to be an influencer. And so they reaching out to you, talking about, I can grow your followers. That, if you see that they only got a couple of people, not just following, but you never heard of the company, you can't research them, you don't know them from Adam, they might got a website up, don't even go there. They got 10,000 followers. How'd you get those followers? What you doing to try to get people up? And then they try to tell you that they can help you. No, boo. That's not how you win people. A lot of people be doing stuff janky. So I would be very concerned about that. Janky promoters are out there, so be leery of that. Tip number 2. I remember that this company reached out to me. I didn't reach out to them. Excuse me. Let me get that right. They reached out to me. I ain't gonna say no names, but they was real dirty. It was a company, and I did do my research. Mind you, I did do my research, and this is a true story. I'm not playing. I did do my research on this company, and they were just like, oh, okay, we really like your stuff. Reach out to me on Instagram, and it was like, oh, okay. Mind you, I didn't have a lot of followers. I still don't, and I don't really care. And they reached out to me, and this was last year, and so they was just like, pretty much, first of all, their t-shirts were $50. I wasn't going to buy it, but they gave me a half off coupon. So I was like, whatever. I'll help them, promote their brand. Because they said on the website that they was at New York Fashion Week, and I looked them up. And then they say you just add this this Facebook page, and I went to the Facebook page and everything. I was like, it looked really legit. And I had seen, they got like over 100,000 followers. I checked their followers out too. They checked mine out. I checked yours out. Who are you? That's why I'm trying to look who's following you. And had a bunch of people on there that were blogging and all this stuff. So I sent, I bought the t-shirt, whatever. But this company never contacted me and never sent me my t-shirt. And I contacted them back. I screenshot everything. That's one thing you little kids need to learn about. Screenshot everything. You screenshot everybody's picture and all this. Screenshot when you buy something. Screenshot when you pay your bills. Successful, checked in, screenshot that. Y'all post everything else. Screenshot when you pay your bills, when you buy something, because I screenshotted that, thank God. Now I wasn't gonna send them my bank statement because I wasn't dumb like that, especially when they didn't send me my t-shirt, but I screenshot it. And after a couple of weeks I was like, well, I didn't get this t-shirt yet. So I contacted them people. First of all, I called them, and there was no way to get to the influencer program. I was like, okay. Now I talked to somebody and then they put me over there, but every time I called that actual number to get to the influencer department, I couldn't get in touch with nobody. It was always mailbox full. First of all, you're unethical. Second of all, nobody can get in touch with you. And third of all, you don't even send t-shirts out. I just feel like it was just, I got gypped. And I was just like, that's why you got to be careful. In any case, I emailed them back and was like, hey, where's my t-shirt? I'm going to find this email. If you got time to wait, I'm going to find this email. I should call the company out, but I ain't going to do that. This is the kind of stuff that happens when you do, especially God's people dirty. That's the problem, because what you do is going to come back to you. And that's why there's about to be a class action suit with them people. And I'm going to get more money back from them. What they should have did was just send me my t-shirt. Now they're going to have to pay more money. You should more money than $20, because you should have did what you needed to do. It's unethical. And no, furthermore, I wouldn't want to even be an influencer for this company. And don't send me a t-shirt now, because I'm gonna just probably wipe my butt with it. Yeah, be real with it. Yeah. So sorry to this company. I can't even find it. Let's see, influencer schminfluencer. Not even real. I know better. Oh yeah, here it is, you guys. So this was written on June 9th, 2019. How are you? We want you to be an influencer. Blah, blah, blah. 50% off a $50 t-shirt. So anyways, I messaged them back with my actual screenshot. As you can see. You can't really see it, but there is a light that shines. But that was my screenshot of me buying it. I never got the t-shirt ever. I paid $28.20. I want my $28.20 back. I gotta fill my gas tank up. Y'all, so be careful about this kind of stuff, because this is what they do. They prey on young people like you guys, and they're really trying to get your money, and they really don't care about you being an influencer for them. And everybody's so interested in getting rich and famous, and honey, it ain't what it cracked out to be. So I just say be very careful about these influencers and reaching out to you, trying to be an influencer with these companies, because it's not what, no. Just do your research and make sure that if you pay for a t-shirt, that you get it back. Okay?